In January, RoboNation partnered with the Polynesian Voyaging Society, Navitec, and other sponsors to stage the first robotic boat challenge in Hawaii waters. So with the Hokulea returning from its worldwide voyage this month, we felt it fitting to look back at the connection between past wayfinders and future robo-navigators.
Aloha, my name is Miki Tomita, and I am the Director of the Learning Center at the Polynesian Voyaging Society, which is our education and curriculum center for the worldwide voyage of Hokulea and Hikianalia. We cover everything from community outreach to helping teachers to integrate lessons into their classroom, but also bringing the experiences of the crew through the website and through local media to the homes and hearts of everybody in Hawaii and around the world. One of the really wonderful opportunities that we've been given through this collaboration with RoboNation and AUSVI is to really explore and demonstrate for the world how voyaging is an ancient technology, but still cutting-edge technology of its time, and actually is in use right now as we voyage around the world.
Many years before the whole talk of the worldwide voyage, Hokulea needed a home, and because she was homeless, basically. And so a partnership struck up with our then Chancellor Ramsey Patterson and with Nainoa Thompson, and this beautiful relationship came to be with the whole University of Hawaii system and the Polynesian Voyage Society. So Honolulu Community College's Small Vessel Fabrication Repair program teaches towards a certification for a small yacht and vessel exam. Also, a lot of our program participants, they are also volunteer and have helped to restore the Hokulea and have seen the building of Hikianalia in preparation for the worldwide voyage. And as they come back into port, especially Hikianalia is back right now, and she'll be joining Hokulea to come back for their last year before they end the voyage in June 17th, 2017. They're helping with that repair process. So it's kind of been this really nice marriage of learning how to repair boats and then also having the hands-on of working on a traditional voyaging vessel and how to use new technology with old.
I'm Eric Schiff, and I'm a Vice President at Navitec Ships here in Honolulu. And one of our big customers is the Office of Naval Research. And they started talking to us about hosting this event here in Hawaii in 2014. And then we've been helping them with all the local logistics. Robotics is a big and upcoming industry. It's a light footprint industry, right? So it's not heavy manufacturing. It supports a lot of high-paying jobs. Supports the development of math and science. So we're looking to help support kids and students who come up through the industry with the opportunity to work in the robotics field, which is going to be huge. And one of the reasons that the Office of Naval Research supports it is for defense capability, and they know for U.S. defense that this is going to be vital in the future. From the Hawaii side, it's an easy, light industry that would be available to work here, provide jobs, and then Hawaii is a beautiful testing venue for all of this kind of equipment. We've got year-round good weather, we have rough water sea conditions, we have calm water sea conditions, so that really is a good opportunity for doing the work here in Hawaii. Navitec used to be the largest tour boat operator in the state. And we haven't been operating tour boats since about 2006. So the Navitec 1 was sold a while back, and that's been operated by another operator. But over time, as we developed all those good ride quality ships, we developed a lot of engineering capability. We do a lot of computational development for the analysis of ships in computational code, which makes it much more efficient in the design process. So we have computer engineers working for us, we have naval architects working for us, mechanical engineers, that type of thing. We also are very good and very strong in the development of prototype ships. So if the Navy has interest in a new design, over the years we've built quite a few developmental, experimental, demonstrator, and prototype craft that, again, taking advantage of the year-round testing conditions in Hawaii, we've been able to test. The opportunity to get involved in this type of activity and support the development of robotics in the future is really important to Navitec, and it aligns very much with what we do now.
As a crew for the voyage, we've been so inspired by the things that we've seen students and their communities being engaged in here at home. And we go into the schools and they ask us about what we do and how we do it on the canoe. Many of us explain, we're doctors, we're engineers, we're scientists, we're artists, we're sail makers, we're fishermen, and we do it on the deck of the canoe. So we bring those occupations and the job training that we have and that skill set to the canoe. Because on the canoe we function as we would in a community. And so we really get to show students how they can use any career pathway that they want to explore traditional voyaging and navigation. I have been blessed to be one of very few to have been selected to go on a deep ocean leg. And the experience just brings you, I think everybody has their own personal experience that they go through. For me, it was feeling deeply connected to the people that I was with for the amount of time that they were the only people that I ever saw. But also just in thinking about the ways that we connect to each other and the ways that we connect to home and the kind of message that we're taking out around the world.